Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Maria Lorna Irog. I'm 40 years old. I'm a high school graduate. I'm married and has two kids. My son is 20 years old and my daughter is 14. My father is retired government employee. My mother is now in heaven. I have one sister. I have experienced work in Taiwan. I do household chores. I cook simple dishes. I take care of an elderly. I am a flexible and willing to learn new things. My message for my employer, Ma'am and Sir, if you hired me as your domestic servant, you can expect for me, I'm a hardworking, I'm an honest, and a trustworthy person. Thank you and hope to see you very soon. God bless.